Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Okay, so we're looking at two super-automatic espresso machines. The Breville Oracle Touch, renewed, and the Jura ENA 4. Both are aiming for that cafe-quality experience at home, but there are some key differences.
Right. The Breville, being a renewed product, already raises a flag. It's professionally inspected, but still, it's not brand new. In the reviews, that top review is pretty brutal, mentioning gym weights instead of the machine.
Yikes. Yeah, that's not a good start for the Breville. The Jura ENA 4, on the other hand, is brand new. Price-wise, they're both around the same ballpark of $999, though you might find the Breville cheaper as it is renewed.
True, but is the risk worth it? Let's look at features. The Breville boasts a touchscreen, automatic milk texturing, and the ability to save personalized coffee settings. That sounds pretty fancy.
It is. It even grinds, doses, and tamps automatically. The Jura is more streamlined. It focuses on simplicity with one-touch operation and pre-programmed settings. It does have a fancy pulse extraction process, PEP, for better espresso.
So Breville is all about customization and automation, while Jura is about ease of use and consistent espresso quality. What about size and weight?
The Breville is a beast. It weighs a hefty 37.3 pounds and has larger dimensions. The Jura is much more compact and lighter at 21 pounds. If you're tight on counter space, the Jura wins.
Good point. And what about user reviews? The Jura seems to be getting better feedback, with 4.1 stars compared to the Breville's 2.5, although there are only 2 ratings for that Breville, which is a little weird. Customers seem to like how easy the Jura is to use and clean.
Yeah, and that Breville review, well, it speaks for itself. It looks like there are some serious concerns about the quality of the renewed product.
Exactly. So bottom line, if you want a machine with all the bells and whistles and don't mind potentially dealing with a renewed product, maybe consider the Breville. But if you prefer a reliable, easy-to-use machine with a focus on quality espresso, the Jura ENA 4 seems like the safer bet.
I agree. The Jura's simplicity and positive reviews make it a more appealing option, especially at that price point. Plus, it's actually available to buy right now. The Breville is currently unavailable. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.